we are continuing our lecture. See some more examples. Okay, so in last lecture we have covered this example: numerator, denominator. Okay, one time 0 in denominator was 0, another time denominator was number. Okay, and we got this output. Okay, we have covered this try, except, else, finally. Remember, all the statement in finally always get execute, either exception is present or not, and else statement will execute if and only if there is no error in the code. Okay, and this except will fire whenever there is a particular exception in the program. Okay, so let us resume the code. Simple example: print hello world. Syntax error. What if when I run the code I get simply hello world? What if I make I remove this? What happened? I get a syntax error. Okay, incomplete input, syntax error. Clear? Same, x equal 34 5. What is the output? 344. Okay, what if I remove this? What if I put the comment? I do not define the variable. I get the name error. I get the name error now. See, type error. Can you see this? Type error. Okay, great. Sorry, I have to run this code. 344. Okay, I just take x1. Now see here what I get. x1 not defined. It's called a name error. Okay, we are learn name error now. Okay, we must define the name before we use it in the print statement. If we are using without defining, I get the error. Next is type error, means I am adding 5. Now here there is no type error. If you see this, I get result hello 5. Okay, I get the result as hello 5. I just print result. I get the output as hello 5. But what if I add only 5 to hello? I am adding number to the string. What happened? I get the error. What is the error? It's type error. We have learned type error. Clear? Next, already we have seen 0 division error. So if I run the code, so if I execute the code, I get output result here. Okay, I repeat one more time: print result. Okay, result. When I run the code, I get the output as 5. But if I make it 0, I get the division by 0 division error. Can you see this? Division by 0 division error. Okay. Next is my list. This is my list 0, my list 1, my list 2. This is my list 2. This is my list 0, my list 1. So when I run the code, I get the output as 3 for my list 2. Suppose I make it 2 2 3. What happened? I get the output 2 3 3. But what if I try to access next element, third element, which does not exist? I get the error. List index out of range. List index out of range. Can you see this? Index error. List index out of range. So in program it may happen that this type of statement are present. These are not syntax error, these are logical error. So you can write in advance these errors. You can define these error by using this try. You write the code in try block. You catch the exception here. You catch the error, whatever exceptions occur. And here, if everything is correct, you get the output in else. And finally, you can write the statement to be executed, either error present or not. Okay. So let us continue. We are here now. Okay, great. So I got the error here, index out of range. And next is a dictionary name, alias, age 30. So my dictionary name is alias, or I write my name is Balaji. Okay, Balaji Shetty. Okay, I write my name Dr. Balaji Shetty. Okay, Dr. Balaji Shetty or SGGS, Nanded, Maharashtra, and age 30. So my dictionary name, when I run the code, I get output as Dr. Balaji Shetty, Nanded, Maharashtra. Okay, but here I want to, so I can print age also. Age. Okay, I print age. age. So what will I get? My age is not 30, my age is 44. So my age is 44. So these are key value pair, name and age. But suppose I write my address or my college name or address, ADDRESS. My address, there is no key of name address. So I get the error as key error address. Okay, because there is no address. So how can I define the address? Simply what I need to do, just copy this, Control C, Control V, and here I need to write address, RESS. Okay, what I write? Address as SGGS, Nanded, India. Okay, now I have defined the address. Now I will not get the error here. Okay, I will not get the error because I have defined the address. Can you see this? SGGS, Nanded, India. Same attribute type error is there. Means what? Object. I define the object and I run the code. Object.append. There is no append method of object. So that's why I get the error. Okay, append error. There is no attribute. It's called attribute error in Python. Next is we are trying to open the file which does not exist. Okay, we'll get the error, file not found error. File not found error. So what we have to do whenever we write the code like this, again I repeat, we have to write these in the try catch block. Are you getting me or not? Try except else finally, so that our program will not terminate. Okay, otherwise our program will terminate. Next, int hello. We are doing typecasting of float to integer. So here if I write like this, then I get the error. Okay, invalid literal for int. Can you see this invalid literal for? It's called a value error. Can you see this value error? Okay, value error. Next, overflow error, because we have limitations. So when I run this code, 10 raised to power 1000 is very high, and I get the overflow error. Okay, I will get the, if I print it, print result, what I get? I get the overflow error. Can you see this? Okay, it is supporting. Great. I add 2 more 0. Now can you see this? Exceed the limit 4300. Okay, and here that's why I get the overflow error. Next is import error. We are trying to import a package which does not exist. I get the error. Okay, import error, because that package does not exist. So no model named a non-existing model, I get this error. Next is assert error, assertion error. Assert 1 plus 1 equal to 2, it must be 2. Okay, I will not get any error, but if it is 3, then I get the error, assertion error. Can you see this assertion error? Same for other error, memory error. We are trying to allocate the memory, okay, which is beyond the scope. So I get the memory error here, memory error. Okay, it is taking some time. Okay, no problem. So again define grid, there is no indentation, so I get the indentation error. I will not execute the code now. Okay, program, your session crash, automatically restarting. Okay, your session restarted. So here what is the error? Here indentation error. Can you see the indentation error? Okay, so these mistakes are present when you write the code. So we can avoid the code by putting it in try catch block. Okay, when I run the code using try catch block, try exception block, then I can easily, can you see this? There is no error. My list, okay, iteration equal to my list 1, 2, 3. Next iteration, it will throw the error. Uncomment the line below to see the stop iteration error. Okay, so in this way, iteration, control C, Z, iterator, next iteration. Okay, control C, control V, control V. Now what I get here? Initially 1, then 2. This is 1, 2, 3. And what will happen one more time? If I put one more time, I get iteration error. Iteration error, because here I get 1, here I get 1, here 2, here 3. What about this? there is no element, that's why I get the stop iteration error. Great. And again here we are trying to multiply type error with arithmetic operation, uncommentable link to see the type error. So here we are multiplying two string with each other. It's not possible. I can write like this 3. It will print world 3 times. Okay, it will print world 3 times. If I print result, I will get output 3 times. Okay, but if I type here hello, I get the error, hello world, type error. Okay, next is indentation. We have defined already. Unbound local errors means what? Here I have run the code, I get the output as 5, x equal to 5, print x, I get print 5. But what if I do not define the x? I just define a variable which I have just used the variable which I have not defined. X1 is not defined here and I am directly printing. So unbound local error, local variable x reference before assignment. Okay, so I need to create the variable, assign the value before use. Runtime error, I can use this raise runtime error, something went wrong. I can use this statement anywhere to show that some error is there. Okay, can you see this? Something went wrong, the output. Okay. Keyboard interrupt error while true pass. When I run the code, it will execute continuously because there is no interrupt. The moment I type Control C, okay, I get the error. Keyboard interrupt. Can you see this keyboard interrupt? I have just typed Control C, I stop the cell, then I get the error. So in this way, we are writing the code to execute the code to show different types of error. Clear? So in next lecture, I will show you 2 more examples. Thank you.